In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the rock cycle. And so the rock cycle is the process by which the Earth's crust is recycled over and over. So the Earth's crust is recycled over and over. Okay, and so we're going to be talking about the three major types of rocks that we have and the ways that we get from one rock to another. So the first one that we're going to talk about is our sedimentary rock. So the first one right there, sedimentary rock. So that's our first one. And the way we end up with a sedimentary rock is we have sediment that is piled together and cemented into forming a new rock. So we have these smaller rocks that get put together and kind of mushed together to form a new rock. So we have cementing of smaller rock. So the second type of rock that we have is we have something called a metamorphic rock. So number 2 is Okay, and so you spell metamorphic, M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C. And the way we get from sedimentary to metamorphic is putting our sedimentary rock under pressure. So pressure. And so the third type of rock that we're going to end up with is a rock called an igneous rock. Okay. And so in order to get from our metamorphic rock to our igneous rock, our metamorphic rock gets put under even more pressure, and as it gets put under all this pressure, it starts to melt. And when it melts and then cools, we end up with the igneous rock. So, I'll write melts and cools. Okay, so we've traveled from sedimentary to metamorphic to igneous. Finally, to get back to our sedimentary rock, our igneous rock can reach the surface, at which point it'll start to be weathered and broken down, and then it can get put back together to form a sedimentary rock. So, reach the surface, and weathered. Okay, and so, reaches the surface and then is weathered. So we see that sedimentary can turn into metamorphic, which can turn into igneous, and we have this cycling over and over and over. And that process is called the rock cycle.